This hike has been the most productive one that I've ever done in my life. Here's why. Before I left my Airbnb, I spun up Claude Code and I connected a remote control session to a project that I'm working on. I also opened up Codex. That's it. Now I've configured Codex to be controllable from my phone. That's done through the ChatGPT app. So I've been able to just open up my app, pop open a project, which I've already worked on before, and just run some prompts. I ran one on my notes. I have all my Obsidian notes connected to a project on my computer. So I was able to kind of work on my notes, pull up some notes, build out some new notes. I was working on a new project. So I spun that up, set up a Kanban board for it, threw in a task. Then I got that task and I sort of said, hey, ChatGPT, like, give me a prompt which I can run on Claude to actually execute this task on my project. So Claude was connected to remote control on that project. So I just pasted that prompt in, got it working on it. What I did when I spun up the remote control was I actually started two sessions on the same project. One was with Opus and one was with Sonnet. I put them both on high thinking because right now you can't control that on the phone. You also can't do things like compact, which is really annoying. These things I'm sure will come to mobile. I'm really looking forward to that. But so I'd paste this prompt in, I threw it at Opus, and I just got it to work on it, and it built this entire feature out. So throughout the day, I've been just kind of checking in with these once in a while, pushing them along, doing some new things. As I get ideas on the hike, I could just sort of throw those at my coding agents and actually bring those into my projects right away. And I always find hiking really inspiring. I get lots of ideas up here, but now I can actually action those ideas without like a lot of thought. Now, the one caveat I'll say is these projects, you need to be kind of able to vibe on them. So I don't recommend this for like your real work, real heavy duty stuff. This is perfect for side projects, for fun stuff. And that's exactly what I'm doing here in Switzerland. So if you want to learn more from me, I'll teach you how I do this stuff. You can join my community on School. It's called the Agentic Coding Club. I'm Alex, and I'll see you there.